Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're very welcome to a new video. So guys, before I go into today's video, I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for all of the love you have showed me in the month of October during this Vlogtober upload. Like, today is day 29 and I have successfully uploaded. This will make it the 29th video of this month, and you guys have always showed up. Thank you to each and every one of you that has been regular on this channel. Thank you for watching all of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Okay, so in today's video, let me take you through how I make my chicken beef flocks. Okay, this is the beef one. I'm making beef flocks, which is normally known as Dambu nama in the northern part of the country. So yeah, this is how I make mine. I put my beef on the stove. I added a lot of water because this is going to cook till the final stage. Even this water wasn't enough. At the medium, I started adding more water. You want this to cook very well, like very well cooked. And for best outcome, you want to use a soft beef. Okay, so mine has cooked for some time and I'm just trying to shred it. I could have just used my food processor to do this. I don't know why I choose to use my hands. Okay, but I really didn't want it to be like very floxy. I wanted it to be chunky a bit. That was why I used my hand. So you can go ahead and use your food processor to process this and it will come out really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to continue shredding it with my hands, and then we'll get back and I'll show you guys how the rest of the video goes. So like I said, you can use your food processor to get a final shredded beef. Okay, so don't mind me using my hands. I didn't really get the way it's supposed to be. So the next thing, you want to add enough vegetable oil, groundnut oil, soy oil, whatever oil you're using. You want to add just enough to cover the beef when you add the beef to a pot or a pan. And when you add it, you add your beef and then you add your scotch bonnet, which is fresh. So when you add your pepper, you then go ahead and add some onion. You want to add seasoning, but I will advise that you make your seasoning very light, like don't add too much. Okay, so remember when I was cooking it, I added a bit of seasoning to cook, just so the taste can actually soak in the beef. So you want to go ahead and add some salt and seasoning powder, like I said, mildly. Okay, you don't need too much. Just add that into the oil freshly like this, and you want to continue stirring. Okay, this process is something that you don't want to leave. You want to continue stirring just so it doesn't burn. You just want to make it dry. Okay, you want a dried meat, not a burnt meat. So I'm going to continue stirring, and I would like you guys to just watch and see the outcome. So I noticed my beef wasn't like, my beef is naturally not well threaded, so I'm just trying to like press it down with my sieving spoon just to get it a bit shredded now that it's soaked. But let me tell you guys, at this point it's cooked, like it's very okay to take out from the heat. Okay, if you want it to be like a not so dry, you can take it out now and sieve out the oil, but I wanted it more dry, like the way I like it. I just want it like very dry. That's why I'm not taking it down, but this is the normal way. This is like the time to take it down and sieve your excess oil out of it. But I left it for some time, and guys, you see what mine looks like. It was very dry. So this is it. This is how I like it. So like I said, you can remove it or leave it to be more crispy, like you can see. So the next thing you want to do is to set your sieve. You are going to turn all of this in a sieve so the excess oil can go out, and you are going to like look for something with pressure just to press on this so you can get all of the oil as much as possible out from your beef. Okay, so yeah, that is how it's made. Now I'm just going to drop this out and sieve it. Okay,
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me for my area, now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came, I come, a conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G to my bro, I'm sorry.